In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Windows 10 seems to be updating itself even if you have disabled the service in the past through Device Manager. So typically, if you have tried to disable Windows Update before, and like I have seen myself, when you do try and disable it, sometimes it'll mysteriously become re-enabled. So often with Windows 10 major upgrades, it'll actually re-enable the service regardless of if an administrator actually went in and re-enabled it or not. So it seems like they disregard what the user is looking to achieve in that case. However, there is a workaround for that, and that would actually be to change the logon account to access the Windows Update service. So if you're sure you want to turn off Windows Update, again, like I think that should have already been established coming into this tutorial, but assuming you're cool with that, we're going to jump in and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Device Manager, select Device Manager from the result listing, type in Services, best match, come back with Services, click on that. And I do want to note that earlier when I said Device Manager, I meant Services. So if you went into Services and turned off Windows Update before. So we're going to actually go and search for Windows Update here. I'm going to find it down here, double click on it. So none of this really matters here. You want to go to the Logon tab. And now you want to go left click inside this account. Now you want to type inside of this field dot, so like a period, dot, whatever you prefer to call it, and then you want to type a backslash guest, so capital G, lowercase u-e-s-t. So again, period, backslash guest. And then you want to just clear out this password field here, confirm password, and then you're just going to left click on apply. And it should say the account has been granted the logon as a service right. So this is the default guest account for Windows 10 if you're curious. Just left click on OK here, left click on OK. So there is a chance that if Windows does attempt to do an update in the future, you might get a little error prompt saying that there's trying to be a different account running the Windows Update service. You can safely just disregard that pop-up if it comes up. Just know that it has to go back to this, so that's what's happening here. If you ever wanted to undo it, just go to the Logon tab and then just select Local System Account. Pretty straightforward. Just basically setting it back to what it was. So, worth it just restarting your computer, and hopefully that should have addressed your problem. So, thank you guys for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.